What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Marshall Outdoors. Currently sitting in the truck because it's raining. It's been raining a lot lately. Getting a lot of rain. Whatever. Still gonna get out there. I'm still gonna do some fishing today. I only got a couple hours. It's 1:18 right now. I don't know. I can't fish that long. I got a couple hours, that's it. So I got the boat back there doing something. There she is. She's chilling. She's soaking wet now, which means I'm not gonna have a seat to sit on. Let's put this boat in the water and hopefully I can bring my big camera out and it quits raining. We'll see. But for now, I'm gonna slap this boat in. We're gonna go smash some bass and probably some smallmouth. This lake holds a little sneaky little population of smallmouth, and they're usually pretty nice. So we'll go here and toss some swim baits around, toss some jigs around, maybe some craws, and yeah, we'll see what we find. Stay tuned. This lake is clear and sandy and gravelly. I like the look of it for smallies. It's really starting to fire me up, but you know it's really not firing me up? It's already raining like crazy. So, yeah, see what happens there. Holy buckets, a bunch of sunnies down there. What's up, dudes? Hey, one thing I forgot to mention about this lake is super deep lake. This thing tops out at like 200 feet deep. Pretty much the shorelines is all there is on this whole lake. There's like a couple little humps, but some of them top out at 50s. You ain't gonna be fishing those for smallmouth and walleyes. But I got a couple little humps that don't even show up on the graph that top out at 20. And yeah, that's where those fish are gonna be. So there's not much for this. There's not much for fish to go to in this lake except the shorelines. But these little humps can produce. These little humps can produce big fish. Just gonna send this up there. Oh yeah, I'm already marking. Fish number one. Oh my gosh, I think hammered it on the ball. Had to catch up to him. On that first hump there. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not what you want. First fish, but not the right species. And he was right up on that hump, right where he's supposed to be. Yeah, you can come off now, dude. Yeah, you just barely hooked right in the noose. You're gonna make me touch you though, aren't you? Chubby little bike. He was right on the tip top of that hump. I cast it up there. He must have been suspended because he hit her halfway down. Grease ball. What you're looking for when you're trying to catch smallmouth. Smallmouth, walleyes, big largemouth, I don't even care. Just not pike. It's not the pikes, man. Next cast, another fish. This one doesn't feel as big. This one feels, no, did it come off? Oh no, there it is. Oh man. It's the same species. It's not good. There must be some bait down there if the pikes are down there though. If the pikes are roaming. Gotta be some more fish in there. They're eating good, that's for sure. Gosh, dude, why you gotta hit it so hard? You gotta hit it so hard. Ooh. That's number one. Greenie number one of the day. Took a little longer than I expected. Figured there'd be a lot of them piled up in this reeds, but it's not the case. But it is still fish number one. Well, not fish number one, but bass number one. Oh, there's a little bit better one. Ah, hey, settle down there, Trent. That's a little better. That's a little better. Still flipping the pencils. That freaking Euro tackle flipping jig had a bend. Not too bad. I'll take those. Just kind of started on the outside of these reeds. And I'm just gonna kind of work the outside first, and I'll just slowly work my way through. Just start getting shallower and shallower through these fish here. More concentrated. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just stumbled on the mother lode. Okay guys, I might have just stumbled on something insane. I'm talking, might have just found big bluegill heaven here. Not even kidding you. There we go. There's bluegill number one, and it's a good one. Just got him on a chunk of leech, a little chunk of leech there. Ooh, look at that big, oh, Jesus. See the size of that thing's forehead. Look at the size of this gill I just caught. Camera was not on. I'm talking, thing is a true big gill mondo. Just purdy. Oh, hey. We're gonna send him back. Oh yes, another tanker, dude. This is so sweet. I'm talking, this is awesome. This size of these purdy gills right here. Oh my gosh, and there's a couple more big ones right here. Oh man, gosh, those are big gills. I'm going to get this one right here too. Yup. Oh, yup. Got him. Oh my gosh. These things are freaking beauties, man. Oh, he's peeing. These are freaking awesome gills. This one's not that big, but nice big male still. These are bluegills you want to leave here. You do not want to eat these. These are what protect them. That protect the beds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Look at this freaking seed. I just got a freaking giant. So I'm stumbling around bass fishing, and all of a sudden I come across these. Gotta be careful, there's people everywhere that would love to keep these big gills, but you can't do that. These are here to protect the beds. You gotta leave these here. But I mean, does it get much better than that? Oh gosh, let's get this thing back in the water. That fires me up. Go. There we go. An absolute big bowl, big hump forehead. love me some big gills, and I was not expecting to find these today on beds, but here they are, protecting their stuff. Oh, good thing I got you hooked still, buddy. Alright. I mean, I got big hands, but they're palmers, boys. Get that. Giant. Definitely haven't caught that one. He's got a missing fin. Big humpback, triple forehead on that guy. Oh man, it doesn't get much better than that right there. That's why you leave them hooked when you're trying to hold them. Love big bluegills. They cannot lie. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty these fish are. I'm talking insane. I'd go bring it up to the big camera, but there's too many of them right here. Just that does not get old right there. Jesus. But he is not. Alright. That is it for the bluegill mission. I have caught, I don't know, 20, 30 of these guys, and they are beauties. So I'm gonna leave them alone, get out of here, go catch a couple more bass, probably go home. But I am glad I bring my panfish rod because I stumbled on something good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me out here today. Kind of a not so hot day, only a couple bass, but the one cool thing was stumbling on those bluegills. Wasted a lot of time doing that. I didn't have much time, but I wasted a lot of time doing that. But I got some big ones. Got some nice big bluegills and a few bass and some stinky old jack pike. The rain is coming in again. I'm out of time. I'm gonna get out of here before I get wet. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Marshall Outdoors. I don't know where I'll be next, but I'll have a rod in my hand, fishing something, catching something. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Marshall Outdoors. Make sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. I guess I will see you guys next time.